I stay up, way up, I am blessed, cause I could have been gone. Come around third like I should have been home. I am blessed.
Hey guys, what's up? You already know who it is, and if you don't, it's your girl, Bex21, and I'm back at it with another wig haul. Yes, wig haul, wig haul. But first things first, I know I've been telling you guys about a giveaway. Ooh, all this hair in my lashes. I know I've been telling you guys about a giveaway. I just posted it on my Instagram. Boom. So you guys, make sure you guys go to my Instagram to be able to get in the giveaway, whatever, participate. I don't know the damn word, whatever. Don't judge me. So you guys loved my recent wig haul from Wish, so I thought I'd do a part 2 and just actually give this a chance, because last time I got a lot of comments saying I'll never buy from Wish wigs again. I didn't want to, but I don't want to stir anybody away from buying a good quality product or something that could be actually great that's very affordable, because I know a lot of people don't have money like that just to be spending. They got kids, they got bills, they got dogs, they got aunties, they got uncles, you know, you gotta buy your food or whatever, you know. We don't want to be spending all our money on that. So I bought 3 wigs. Super excited about them. We're just going to get into it. I didn't lay this head down because I'm just going to be taking it off. But okay, so y'all remember that curly wig that I got, right? It was atrocious. It was a mess. Some people liked it. I didn't like it. I was looking for a more bouncier, curly, like bigger curl type of look. So I decided to not give it up, and I'm gonna give it another try. So I found this nice curly blonde wig. Here's the picture that was posted. So that's what the picture looked like. And I was like, it's just a picture. And like, some girl posted a picture of it in a review, but it didn't look good on her, and I was like, should I get it? But I'll be right back. Let me put this whole on and show you all. So this is the wig or whatever, and I think it is so cute. I love it. It's a nice curly big blonde wig, something that's like, it reminds me of like an Instagram model. Like, this is what I think when I think Instagram model wigs. It has the right amount of fullness that I was looking for. The only thing is there's no like parting, but you don't really need a parting with hair this curly. I would go out with this wig on. Like, this is a wig that I'd go out in public with, and then I say my name like Ashanti or Shantae or something like that, and then people believe it. But I think it's cute or whatever. Or maybe I'll say my name like Selena or something, you know. Real exotic like. Oh shoot, but I really love it. I mean, the front construction, oh, look at them edges. Can't nobody say I don't have no edges. It's just a bare, like, there's just a line. I will also zoom out and show you guys the construction of this cap, as I always do. There is one comb in the front and none in the back, but there's an adjustable strap that goes on right in the back. Like, you just, you know, hook it together like a normal wig would. But this wig is nice and fun, you know. I like it. Alden likes it apparently. Right, babe?
Oh yeah.
I think it's cute. It's different. I would like to cut these, but I think it adds character. Like, it gives it bang. It's cute or whatever. Alright, shake it out, shake it out. Oh, baby, when you talk like that. Oh, man. They're gonna flag me. Alright, let me show you guys the construction of the cap. So if you guys can see, this is the front of the cap here. That comes with one comb. Like so. And it has this peach interior. I don't know what the hell it is. Here's the back where the adjustable straps are. Here's the back where the adjustable straps go. Right here. But here's the front, or that's the back, the girl. Here is the front of the cap if you guys are interested. And I mean, if you really wanted to part this and fake it, you really could. But I don't think it's necessary. And it's not over shiny. I do want to mention that. It's a little frizzy, but it's perfect for curly hair. So definitely pick this up. This curly wig here is $13. And I also paid for fast shipping, which was like an extra $5. Well, regular shipping was $5, fast was $7. So I just thought, pay $2 for it to come faster. Didn't care. If anybody's wondering, this is the tag. Miss Wig and the style. So nothing special. Next. It's Charlie's Angels, baby. This wig reminds me of like a Secret Spy, or reminds me of Prentice from Criminal Minds right here. I just feel like a secret spy. Like, I feel like I'm about to kick somebody's ass, but I feel like I'm about to slay while I'm doing it. Like, rockabye, baby. Oh, all I need is a gun. Babe, give me a gun.
Yeah, that's reassuring.
Christmas next year. But like, don't I look like I'm about to cut somebody? Just, bitch, I will cut you. No, but all seriousness aside, this wig is so bomb. I love the bang. Like, you could also pull it down, and then you could like bump it if you wanted to. Actually, I like it pulled down like that. The only thing that I'm noticing is that this wig is kind of like tangling a little bit right in here, and I ain't about that. Now, I know you can fix the wig with, if it's tangling, you can put in some fabric softener and let it soak in hot water. I will say though, this wig is pretty freaking shiny. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's shiny. So I'll either take a dryer sheet and rub it, that gets rid of shine, or I'm gonna spray some dry shampoo in it and do that. Maybe some baby powder, I don't know. But this looks really cute. I will say that I love the density of this wig. That's what a lot of places don't realize, is like density matters, because like I want my wig to look realistic. Like if I walked outside like this, I'd be like, oh, that's that girl hair, you know what I mean? Because it's not thick like that. Oh, I spit. Girl. But I like the length of it, and I like the way it comes down. Like I said, I just rockabye, baby. I just feel like a spy. Like I'm Destiny's Child. That's the song that I was looking for. I just feel like, nobody better try and fight me in this wig. That's all I got to say. I'm gonna beat somebody's ass. So the price of this wig was $10, and I believe it is $5 shipping. Yes, $5 shipping. They only have like the expedited version. So this wig and the other wig that I just had on, they both have an expedited shipping. This one is mandatory, so you don't have a choice. That one is not mandatory shipping, but you can choose it for like $2 more, so that's the only reason why I picked it. The wig came like super fast. This wig shipped here along with the other one pretty quickly. They both came on the same day, I believe. Yeah, they did. They came in like 3 to 5 days from China, which is crazy to me. For like $5 or $7, that's crazy. I mean, if you want to pull it back, you have the option to. That's what I love about this wig. It fits your head to whatever you want to do. So if I wanted to be like ghetto or whatever, well, this isn't ghetto, but you know, if I was trying to look like Black China, then you know, I can pull it down like this and it'll still look fine. The only thing that I'm hating on is this little parted. Y'all remember the last video, and if y'all don't remember that video, I'm gonna link it down below. But do y'all remember in the last video where the wig had like a plastic part? That's what this has, and I'm gonna give you guys a zoom in so you guys can see it. Besides that, she's a yes. I'm keeping her. So for this wig, I want to show you guys the original picture, which is right here. It looks pretty similar. I was gonna say damn similar. I could say damn. She deserves a name with like a P or an S. Some with a P or an S. Y'all put the names down below, because I'm not that good at name picking, you know. A P or an S, something like that with this hair. What y'all think? By the way, if you guys love this eye makeup, let me know. I'll do a tutorial for you guys. Do y'all see that? It's like plastic. It's so weird. But I'm going to show you guys the inside. There's no clips at all in this wig, which is quite odd. All you have is an adjustable strap, but at least it don't look like basketball shorts on the inside. It looks like a regular old wig, how it should. And might I say, it fits my head. My head's pretty big, 24-25 inches. And there's still space for me to move it. So this will fit anybody's head. And this is the tag that it came with. And the tag has some carrying instructions on it for you, which is quite nice. You know, some people don't know how to do their shit. So I'm putting on this wig for y'all. Poison ivy or nah? Ooh. Imagine you flip your hair and that's what happens. Now this is a lace frontal, synthetic curly. Obviously red, but their red color was wine red. It's supposed to have baby hairs. You know what? You know what? This ain't bad. Do you see this? Little poison ivy. Ooh, this one gotta have a bad name, like a bad bitch name, like Aaliyah or something. This one was also super fast shipping and I didn't have to pay for it. This wig is $15. It comes in black, brown, light brown, pink, and wine red. I was gonna go pink, but I have another video for a wig in mind for you guys coming soon, so I'm not gonna go pink this time. It also gives you an option of lace or no lace for this wig. You can pay $13 for express shipping or $11 for standard. But when I first got this wig was not that much when I bought it, because I would not pay no $10 for freaking shipping. But I will say the hair is really soft. Like, it is very soft. It's softer than the rest. I like the curl pattern. It is a little shiny. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's slightly shiny. It's not like a shine that's like ridiculous in person, but it does shine a bit. For this one, since it's curly, I wouldn't use a dryer sheet or baby powder. I'd just go in with some dry shampoo. Now the baby hair, ooh, I got this in my eye. Girl, stop. The baby hair is like stuck underneath the lace. It's very odd, and it's like you have to like rip it out almost to get it. They give you a big part of lace, like that's huge lace. But what I like about the lace is that it's darker. But the sad thing is too dark for my girl, what happened? This wig will make the demon come out of you. Some voodoo. Yes, that's what this remind me of. Like some Jamaican lady that do voodoo in her village, pretty much. She low-key a shatta. The first thing that I'll say about this wig is the baby hair is so whack. It looks nappy. Like, can y'all see that? How nappy that baby hair looks? And then it's just like too thick and it's like bunched up in one spot, but like where's the other baby hair? Like, do y'all see that? There is no other baby hair. So literally the picture, I guess, was just showing this as baby hair. What am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this? This is what the picture looked like, which it does look pretty similar. I'll show you guys the length of this one because this one's longer than the rest. So right by my boobies, a little bit under, actually more. That's like almost belly button length. I'm about 5'6", so it is pretty long, whatever. It has a nice bounce to it. It's not getting all tangly either, even though I'm like messing with it and pulling it and all of this. But I would love to fix this wig on camera, but we ain't got no time for all of that on this haul. I'm gonna do another video where I take this wig and transform it from this to something bomb. So you guys stay tuned. This go round with the wigs, I'm super excited for. Now I'm like, Wish. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it not good? Should we test it? Should we do it? Should we not? I'm definitely going to leave the sellers to these wigs in the bio this time. I'm gonna search. I'm gonna try and find them. If I can't, then I'm gonna message the actual sellers for their information, because I definitely want you guys to buy these wigs if you like them, because I love them. I think all of them are bomb. I was about to do like a wig giveaway, but your girl kind of like these right now. If you guys definitely want a wig giveaway, comment down below. I'll hook you guys up with one of your favorites that I've bought so far. Don't forget to subscribe for more wig videos. I have so much more coming up, so much content. I actually have another wig haul that I'm gonna do after this one, so I'm gonna hit y'all back to back. And then I'm also gonna do a synthetic coloring video, how to fix this wig here. That's coming up soon as well, along with other things. Don't forget to go to my Instagram. Here's my info down here for social media, so you guys can participate in my current giveaway going on. My giveaway is going to close February 14th. If you guys don't put it in, February 14th. And right now, there hasn't been that many entries, so the odds are very high right now. So I would say put in your 2 cents or whatever. I'm going to do another giveaway soon with Visa gift cards once I hit 1,000 subscribers. We are almost there. Last time I looked, it was like 760 subscribers, which I love y'all. Y'all my boos. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys have no idea. But since I appreciate you guys, I actually want to show you guys and do multiple giveaways. So when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a Visa card giveaway. I at least want there to be 2 winners, but most likely there will be 4. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Anything else you guys would like to see, just let me know. Leave it down in the description. Leave it down in the description box. Girl, leave it down in the comment section below. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.